Hi, I'm Paul from VIEZU Technologies. Nice to see you again. This is Max, our latest Defender restoration that has literally just been finished. Max is about to get on a boat and off to America, but before she leaves, I thought I'd give you a quick tour around so you can see some of the work we've just done. Max actually came into us in a matte black rattle can finish. She was looking really quite tired, and I have to say quite a little bit mad, hence the name. We've undergone a full 3-month restoration project on Max now, looking very, very different from how she first came in. The most obvious thing you'll notice straight away is this beautiful, beautiful, thick, glossy heritage green metallic new coat of paint. Really a statement piece with this lovely contrasting light tan roof. The interior is done to match. Again, you'll immediately notice these huge 18-inch wheels, very large off-road tyres. The brief from Max's owner was that this is to be a fun vehicle, to be used on the beach and on lakes for water sports, etc. And I hope we've carried that brief through. New LED headlamps, as you can imagine. The standard headlamps are not particularly very good, they're very dim, so these LED headlamps make a huge difference. New bumpers throughout, chassis has been stripped back and undersealed throughout, matching body-coloured grills, give a really nice, we think, classic look to these vehicles. You'll notice the iconic heritage badge on the front as well. I'll walk you around and show you around. You'll notice Max, obviously it's incredibly high. That's not only because of these large 18-inch wheels, but she's also got a 2-inch lift kit with uprated suspension. So when we are going off-road, on the beaches, etc., which was very much desired, that we've got a lot of ground clearance. I'm not a particularly tall guy, as you can see. Max totally dwarfs me. So the addition of these side steps is absolutely going to be essential. You'll notice we've put on these heritage style doors, so the top of the door actually comes off, leaving with the roof off a really, really fun looking usable vehicle, great in the Sunshine State, which is where she's of course headed. As we go inside, you'll notice these carpets. These are handmade in the UK, 100% wool carpets, made bespoke for Max, matching trim, leather seats, all coming together very nicely, including matching gear lever gaiters, etc. Perfectly planned to match the roof and the roof colour. This roof, the sides can fold up, which is ideal if the weather is potentially changeable. You can still get that sort of cabriolet feel, but in a quick zip down and you're back to being weatherproof again. Of course, if the weather is staying hotter for longer, we've got the option of completely taking the roof off and going with just the bare roll bars. Knowing Max is going to be used on the beach, the owner was particularly keen. We put something in the back. This can be very hard wearing and weatherproof. So if I open it up, you'll see we've gone for this teak look flooring. This comes with a 10-year guarantee. It's snowproof, rainproof, dust and sandproof. We think this gives it a really, really nice look, but also a very usable look. We get some sand in the back and we can just brush it out, no damage done. These seats can fold up out of the way too, so you've got both a people carrier, you've got a lot of space as well, even potentially to get a jet ski in the back here. So I'll walk and talk you around and show you the rest of this. Heavy duty wheel carrier, much more heavy duty than the normal one we fit, because these wheels are incredibly heavy. Nice rear star bumper, very, very popular. Obviously the LED headlamps across the back too, giving a very clean, modern feel. Remember, Max here is a 1987 vehicle, so it's got some real age to it, but looking absolutely brand new. I don't know if the camera can just pick up some of the chassis down here, all been stripped back, undersealed, all new suspension, all new brakes, new clutch, transmission's been rebuilt, and really in many ways, more new parts than old now. Give you a last glimpse inside from there. I hope you like what we've done with Max. I'm hoping that Michael, the owner, is going to be delighted with this. VIEZU here, we offer all elements of Land Rover Defender restoration, upgrades and projects, from simple jobs like soundproofing and carpets to full nut and bolt restorations. If you need any information at all, you can get us on info@viezu.com, that's info@viezu.com, or drop me a mail. My name's Paul at VIEZU, or you can give us a call, 01789 77 44 44, here to help with any questions. Hope you enjoyed the look around, hope to speak to you soon.